Hey, hi, good evening. Hello?
Yes.
Hello, my voice is audible?
Yes.
Yeah, hi, good morning, everyone.
Yeah. Hello, Kaushendra. Good morning.
Hi, good morning, sir.
Yeah. Should we start then?
Let's wait for a couple of minutes, I guess.
Yes. Yes. Students are
Students will
joining.
join. Yeah. Let's wait up till 9:40 or 9:45, then we
Okay.
will
Just we
join.
will wait for 5 minutes. The
Yeah.
students will
Okay.
join. We will
Yes.
have a couple of members still there. We can
Yeah.
join them.
Yes.
Now around we have 35 participants. Should we start, Kaushendra?
Yeah, sir. Whatever you say, what I can say.
Okay.
If
Uh,
you want me to wait, I can wait. No issues because I know students won't be ready at such
uh,
moment. At two
yes,
on
because
Sunday.
yes, because you might have other schedule as well. That's
Ah,
why
yes, yes,
that's
yes.
why we have schedule early morning.
Yeah. Okay.
Uh, let it be. We will start if the students will, if they are joining, they will join in between. No issue.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. No issues. No.
Yeah. I welcome you all students. Today we have our with us our new guest for our conducting the sessions today. Now I request Nikhil to introduce today's guest.
Yes, sir. I am audible, sir.
Fine, you are audible. Please go ahead.
Yes, okay, sir. Okay. So, hi, very good, wonderful. Good morning to all of you. Myself, Nikhil Mahajan from last year ENTC. Being a host of today's lecture, I welcome you all of you to the industrial lecture organized by ENTC department in collaboration with the e-TESA committee. So industrial lecture series gives a complete idea to student how should you perform in a industry, what and which are the skills are required for the industry, and how should you behave in a corporate world. So for today's lecture, we have a great personality with us, none of the than the Kaushendra Shah sir, who is a guest speaker for today. He is a embedded system professional with a 4+ year of experience in an embedded system. He has experience in a embedded software development, Linux, real-time operating system that is RTOS. He is work with the different microcontrollers. Currently, he is working in a Hampton International, Bangalore. Also, he has a working experience in a Infochip Private Limited, Ahmedabad. He has completed his education from GCUG from ENTC branch in 2018. He is an alumni of our college. And today, it's a good fortune to have him here with us to guide a young mind to choose a good career path. I take a privilege to extend my most coordinate welcome to the guest speaker, Kaushendra Shah sir. Welcome, sir. I also welcome all the respected personality and participant who joined today's lecture with sheer enthusiasm to listen our speaker. Without taking much time, I request to Kaushendra sir, please take over and guide our students.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Nikhil. So you already given a brief intro about me. So I'll elaborate more. What's about me? Might be students wants to know more. Who is speaking first? Okay. So the first impression is the last impression. So I'll give you a introduction about me. So I am a native of Bihar, but I am born and brought up in Maharashtra, Nagpur. Okay, so I have done my basic schooling from Nagpur itself up to 10th, and after that I choose to go with electronics and telecommunication. So I did my polytechnic from government Nagpur, GP Nagpur, and from there I got placed. I got selected for this Government College of Engineering, Jalgaon. Uh, Although, like all you guys, after getting this particular college, I have been having many thoughts in mind, right? So, what will be the career and all? But I can suggest you guys that don't think such things. Okay, so our college is one of the best in terms of teaching. Okay, and I have been graduated from GCUAJ in 2018. Okay, with flying colors. After that, although I got selected in one of the PLC SCADA based company which has came to our campus itself, but I was not having that much just to get working in PLC SCADA based. Okay, so first thing you guys should notice or should note down that which career path you want to select. Okay, so I guess most of the students here are from third year or final year. Okay, so what career path you want to select? Okay, in the first or second year you guys can choose, or if you have already been chosen. Okay, so that you can decide. there are multiple options because we are electronics and telecommunication persons. Okay, multiple option, multiple gates are there. So first we need to select what is the market and where's the demands. Okay, and what your hobbies are and what things you actually like. Okay, so I was placed in PLC SCADA, but I rejected that particular offer and I went for advanced embedded course. Okay, from Hyderabad, and from there I got placed in Info Chips. There I've served multiple projects in embedded systems, digital as well, and I have been had served there for 3.5 years more than. And after that I switched to back to Bangalore, and currently I'm working in Harman International. That is automotive based company. It works in automotive, digital, machine learning, every space. Most of the Harman devices are in the day-to-day life. JBL we are using the Harman infotainment system in most of the cars. Tata, BMW, Audi, any of the cars you pick. Okay, so that's the current journey I am going on. So this was the introduction about me, guys. So I guess we have 30 students. So I want some of you guys to introduce you. So I'll pick randomly. Okay, that will be fine, right, sir?
Yeah, fine, no problem.
Uh, so yeah, Nikhil, first you can, as you are final year student, right? First you can introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. Yes, thank you so much, sir, to giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Nikhil Mahajan, and currently I am pursuing my BTech from Government College of Engineering. I am in last year. I have completed my diploma from Government College of Engineering, Jalga, with the same branch, ENTC branch, and I have completed my 10th standard from my village. I am from Chopada Taluka, District Jalgaon. So I have completed my 10th standard from my village, uh, Lasur, MGM Vilasur. This is all about me, sir.
Okay, and what are your future perspectives? What
Yes,
goals
sir.
you have set? What
Yeah,
hobbies
yes.
you like?
Yes, sir. I am interest. I also interested in embedded system, IoT, as well as automation, sir.
Okay,
Currently, I
so
am yes, and as well
have
as
you done
machine
any
learning also.
background? Have you done any background course or any internship?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have done a internship in machine learning by YBI Solution, and as well as I have completed my research and interns as a in one Rajasthan-based company is there. I have completed my on a reusable launch vehicle. I have completed my internship on a reusable launch vehicle as well.
Okay, that's good, Nikhil.
Yes.
So next candidate I am getting in my list is Rashmi Dhake.
Good morning, sir. I'm Rashmi Balwan Dhake. I'm also a student of the final year from Electronics and Telecommunication branch. Moreover, I'm also a native of Varda district, which is very near to Nagpur, as you must know. Then, yeah, I'm a final year student and I'm kindly tilted towards the IT sector, apart from being an electronics graduate. And I don't have any problem in switching to an IT career. But still, if I get a job in electronics,
Okay, okay, yeah. Thanks to Rashmi. Next is Namdev. Okay, I guess Namdev is not there. Saili Deshmukh. Saili, you are not audible.
Yes. Am I audible right now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Uh, Good morning, everyone. I am Sahil Deshmukh, and to move from my background to tell me about my background, born and raised in India's cleanest city, Indore. Right now, I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's in technology degree from Government College of Engineering, Jalgaon, as we all know. From my past experience, I have completed my research internship in Department of Atomic Energy, and I have built my own amplifier composite amplifier for my contribution towards a national project. I am right now I am trying for placements and in IT sector as well as in automation or analog electronics is my basic interested domain. So it's all about me right now. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Riley. Uh, this is Varada, Jagdish Varada. We have Jagdish here. Okay, I'll switch back. Aditya, Aditya Charate.
Good morning. I'm a first year student. My name is Aditya Charate. And about my interest, I am interested in embedded system. And about my background, I am born in Amravati and brought up in Odisha. That's all about me.
Okay, Aditya. Sanket. Okay. The last and final, I'll pick Mayur. Mayur is not there. Nikita.
Hello.
Yeah, hi, Nikita.
Hello, good morning, sir, and good morning, everyone. My name is Nikita Naresh Padvaik. I'm from last year Electronics and Telecommunication Department. I'm from Nagpur also, Nagpur, sir. And talking about my skills, my soft skills include that I'm confident and self self motivated person. Talking about my technical skills, I know C, Java, Python, and Salesforce. And recently I have completed my internship in Salesforce, which is it was summer internship which was given by Salesforce, and my one internship was in DRDO office. And I have done so many projects in front end and back end also. So I'm looking forward for IT as well as in electronics domain. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, good to know, Nikita. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
So let's begin. I'll share the ideas, the future scope in embedded systems. Okay. So whoever is interested to choose a career path in embedded as well as in any of the things what we have been taught in electronics and telecommunication, right from digital electronics, ADSP. Okay. So I'll guide you as well as I'll give you career options as well. Okay. What will be the path you guys can choose? Okay. Even if we don't get campus placement, we no need to worry. Okay, because industries want industry ready students. Okay. So that won't be enough for them just to complete the BTech. We have to add the scope on it. So I have quickly prepared some slide. So I'll show you guys that. Let me know once my screen is visible. My screen is visible to you guys?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay. So today's agenda for this industrial lecture is exploring embedded industry. Okay, so I will give you guys insight into the embedded industry dynamics. Okay, this been details about me. So I'll start with a short quote that engineering is not only about 45 subjects, okay, what we have to complete and achieve, but it's a moral studies of intellectual life. We have to grow as a personality. Uh, we have to grow ourselves. We have to grow as per the environment, the teachers, we collaborate. Okay, it's not about just passing with the marks. I still remember most of the faculties we have. Gaikwad sir, SM Patil ma'am, and many more. Okay, so in my next slide, I'll give you the importance of understanding the embedded industry for BTech students. Okay, so I guess in third year or second year, you guys have started with the embedded system subjects, right? It had been started in the second year itself or third year?
In third year, sir.
In third year, okay. And who is teaching currently now embedded systems?
Visiting faculty is there for embedded system.
Okay,
Yeah.
I guess we have two subjects, right? Embedded systems and advanced embedded systems. I don't know with the current curriculum, but when I was there, we were having two subjects. One is in the third year, and one was in final year. That was, I guess, we need to choose optional subject. So I have chosen embedded itself. So we need to inculcate if we want, right? I'm not forcing each and every student, okay, to go into embedded industry only, because as I have communicated with I guess 5 to 6 students, they have different perspective, right? Someone is going with Salesforce and one wants to work in software industry. Okay, there are jobs, right? But which career path you want to select and which career you will enjoy, that you need to first select. Okay, I was loving the embedded subject, as well as I can spend more time exploring the things in the embedded, how the future will be, what devices I will be developing, and how it will be helping the mankind. Okay, we can take simple examples like Alexa, drones. That's all what embedded engineer will develop. Okay, these are minute examples I am taking. There are many much complex things in there when you come to industry, but the basic thing will remain same what are being taught to us in the BTech. Okay, that is the grassroots, and we should start from that there itself. Okay, if you are an embedded loving person, you should inculcate embedded right from that itself. Okay, and that is a very vast growing field, embedded industry. I'll switch to the technological advancements. Okay, so earlier we were having electromechanical, mechanical devices. Now it has been switched to electronics gadget, that to IoT enabled. So everything which will be electronics, which will be programmed only. Now uh, things are coming with machine learning, artificial intelligence. Okay, but the basic will be embedded only. Okay, so the gadgets and the programming. On top of it, now we are inculcating machine learning. Okay, machine learning also comes in embedded itself. It is not a different field. Machine learning, artificial intelligence, these are all integral parts of embedded systems in the near future. Okay, so what I will say that if you see the future scope, okay, so it is only a rising grow, exponential rising for embedded industry. Career options. Okay, guys. So career options, the potential career options for BTech students. Okay, what are the skills required for you guys? Are you guys preparing for GATE, or it's been already done? Hello? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
Okay, so I was
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible.
yeah. So you guys were preparing for GATE? How many of guys were preparing for GATE? Okay, I'll take it as no. Okay, I'll share
Okay.
my screen again to you guys. So I
Suppose
was
suppose
talking.
students has raised their hand so that they are might be preparing for GATE, I think.
Okay, okay. So GATE is also one of the option to get into the industry, but at the government sectors. Okay, yeah, it is bit difficult. I have also prepared for it, but unfortunately, due to my accident, I was not able to study that time. But I was having multiple options kept as well for government as well as for private. Okay, always you guys should have 2 to 3 options open. But my concern was I will only work in technical sectors. Okay, not other than that. Whether it is government or anything, even if I went for Navy exam, SSB, I have cleared the Navy exams as well. Okay, but due to some shortlisting criteria I was not selected, but that too was technical itself. Okay, so I was very firm that I will work in technical sector, that too with electronics and telecommunication, whatever it is, whether it is government, private, semi private, whatever it is. Okay, so I'll give you guys some of the windows that will be open for you to choose your career option. Okay, and what skills will be required for you guys to get into that particular career option. Screen is visible, right? Anyone can
Yes,
confirm.
yes.
Okay, so first career option is if you guys want to go with embedded systems. Okay, if you guys purely want to work into embedded system based industry and want to learn the skills or upgrade your skills, because whatever been taught in colleges won't be enough for you to get industry ready, because in industry nobody wants to spend much more time on teaching. Okay, they want you guys that you know something and from there you can start. So I'm sharing you one of the institute. Okay, this is Vector India, Vector India Institute. This institute has centers in Bangalore, Chennai, and Hyderabad. Okay, once you guys complete your BTech, if you want to go into embedded systems, this institute takes first entrance exam that will be based upon EDC, digital electronics, aptitude, and C questions. Okay, so you can I have pinged the details of the site in the chat box, but I am hovering over this for you guys to understand better. Thus, it has different courses as well. Okay, embedded system regular as well as online. So I will suggest not to go for online. If you are into embedded, you have to work with gadgets and devices. So better choose the classroom program, that will be the regular. The location you guys can opt based upon your preferences. Okay, there are different courses as well. Full stack development, they have done advancements here. Earlier it was not there. Full stack development, short term courses, we have automotive, AutoSAR, Micron, Python, embedded C, device drivers also. Okay, corporate workshops are also there. I have personally done this training because I wanted to work into embedded systems only. So I went with this particular institute. I studied there for 6 months in Hyderabad, and from there I got placed. Okay, guys. So I'm giving you guys a better hand here. Instead of searching so many options, okay, and diverging from the career path, you guys can better go into the expert hand. They will teach and make you industry ready. Okay, this is 6 month duration course, but if there are multiple subjects being taught here, right from C to embedded C to C++. Okay, and they will give you hands on with the gadgets as well. And there will be a final projects like we do in BTech. There will be a separate final project that we need to code and develop, as well as the presentation we need to give here. Based upon that, the scoring and all will be decided, and then you guys will be ready for placement. And yeah, they will make you placement ready. Okay, with the various communication courses, aptitude and all. Yeah, the next option is whoever is having a hands in digital side. Okay, VLSI and Verilog subjects, right? We have in this our curriculum VLSI.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So whoever has liked this particular subject, okay. So I will differentiate between VLSI and embedded. VLSI is nothing but the chip development. Okay, the processor chip and whatever we are using in mobiles and anything that will be having a silicon chip. Okay, so that particular chip development and verification that goes with VLSI. Okay, and minute details you guys have already gone. And embedded system is the programming and making the application from that particular chipset, okay, to work. So whoever is having an interest in VLSI, I've picked some of this. So you guys can go with this particular institute, that is Maven Silicon. It is based out of Bangalore. Okay, so it has placed many of the engineers, and I personally know some of uh, my friends as well. Those who are in Jalgaon, they have opted this, and they are currently working in VLSI. Okay, that is also a very good option, and that is emerging technology because we are now going towards nanotechnology. Okay, so this is nothing but the VLSI growth itself. And third option I have is CDEC. I guess many of the students may know about CDEC, right? Anyone knows about CDEC here? I don't see any hands raised here. Okay, so I'll take it as no. I'll explain more about CDAC. So CDAC is same like Vector, but it is the government institute, okay, which is providing advanced embedded as well as not only in embedded, but also with the software based course. Okay, there are various career options here. They also take an entrance exam. All India entrance exam will be there for CDAC, all India entrance exam, and there are all India centers will be there for CDEC. Based upon your ranks and all, you guys will be given different institute. This course duration also will be, I guess, of 6 months, and if you complete this, you will be ready for the placement. Yeah, but they have different criteria, exams, and on all weekly exams like that. The same pattern as of Vector. There are various career options. So I haven't gone with CDEC, so I don't know much more about their site details, what other course they are offering. But I guess the courses are high at the cloud computing and all things. So those who are with the IT based career, who wants to make career in IT, they can go with this CDEX option as well. So these have picked three institute. These will make you industry ready. if someone don't know what career options they want to choose and have a just in embedded VLSI or IT industry, they can go with these three options. There are multiple uh, subjects, careers like that option you have, and they will be providing you placement assistance as well. Major companies come here itself because they know now the student is already qualified the BTech, and he is industry ready as well after doing 6 months of course in any of this particular field. So this will make you industry ready. Okay, next is let me share my screen again. Career potential, career paths I have shared you guys. Skills required also with the industry demands I have shared you. The sites also I have given you. Future and emerging trends. Future is only AI, machine learning, okay, as well as which is not being shown in the highlight is security. Okay, IoT security or security in any terms, whether it is network security, embedded security, automotive security. Okay, we need to work very fast in security side. So currently I am working in security only, that too on automotive security. Okay, so how we can prevent the hackers to get into our IoT gadgets or embedded gadgets, okay, which have been placed in cars, in malls, anything. So hacker won't be able to access that and do malicious activities. Okay, so for that we need to implement the securities. Okay, and it is emerging and growing day by day. So three fields I have told you: artificial intelligence, machine learning, and security. Okay, keeping these three in mind, you guys can select your career. Okay, and the predictions for the futures are the same. Being an embedded engineer, I guess you guys should be aware. That's why I have told you. But the basic to need to start was the earlier thing I have told you guys. The three options I have given you, and this will go with the Q&A session. I know you guys will be having multiple queries regarding the career and all, so you guys can ask me. I'll stop sharing my screen and feel free to ask, guys. I'm no sir, I'm just your senior. I have been through the same path and the same dilemma like you guys, what to do, what not to do. But I am seeing most of the students have done internship, and they have done much more towards developing gadgets, programming, and all. So good to see you guys growing here. Now you can ask, guys.
Okay. Students, if you have any doubts or query in your mind, please feel free to ask. You can directly ask the questions by unmuting you, or you can chat uh,
Yeah, you
in the
guys
chat
can
box.
put down in chat as well if you are hesitating to talk. Okay. Anyone was already knowing about these career options I have explained? Can raise their hands at least. Okay, Sejal is asking something. Let me see. How we trained our mind for interviews and other. Okay, Sejal. So interviews with respect to what? Career? Can you please elaborate? Because there are different interviews. Okay, for navy it will be different. For army it will be different. For banking sector, if you want to prepare for purely for IT sector also, if you go with different companies, okay, for different roles also it will be different. For placement only, okay, and placement for IT, right? Okay, so only with respect to interviews, I guess. Okay, how we train our minds for interview. Okay, so have you, I guess, Sejal, you haven't given an intro about you, right? So let's first start your introduction. So can you please unmute yourself and introduce? So I will be better knowing how to guide you regarding the placement and to prepare for the interviews first. Okay, let's take it up from your side first. So please unmute and try to introduce whatever it's there in your mind. Feel free. It's okay. Hello. Okay, so you don't want to introduce. So for making up for interviews, I guess you need to take placement assistance. Okay, you are introducing or chat. Yeah, it's over chat as well. It is fine. Acha, okay, you are only first year student, and right now you are thinking about interviews and placement. So, Sejal, first thing I would like to mention is currently this is not the correct thing at the first year itself to think about the placements and making you industry ready or things. First, you need to just focus on building up your career with good scores, right? And first, choose one thing that whether you want to go with only software industry, then there are multiple classes, communication classes online. Ladda classes in Jalgaon. I don't know whether it is functional or not. Any guys can confirm? Ladda classes. Is it functional or not? Gaikwad sir?
Sorry to say, but I don't know actually whether they are right now functional or not.
Because at our time there were classes, right? Ladda Institute.
Yes, yes.
So I guess many things, many classes will be there in Jalgaon as well. Okay, and some classes will make you ready for some foreign based course as well. So from there you can learn these communication skills. Just focus on one thing. Don't focus the entire goal. If you want to learn communication skills only for the interviews and aptitude, for aptitude you need to select a particular institute, or personally also you can prepare. There are multiple options. Okay, I went through the Ladda course. Okay, and I was preparing for SSB as well as for Indian Railways. So I was preparing on my own that time. So that helped me a lot, as well as this training institute, Ladda. So they help solve me the communication doubts, aptitude, what all subjects right there. So first pick up any of the industry, the criteria for their interviews. But the first selection criteria will be aptitude only, so be aptitude ready first. Okay, Sanket. I am Sanket from last year. I am planning for government exams. I am not getting interest in software. Okay, Sanket, but I know many of my friends, okay, my juniors as well. They opt out for the government exam. Which government exam can you elaborate? This is GATE or MPSC?
Sir, combine.
Okay, combine. So, Sanket, I would suggest you, because government openings will depend. Okay, exams may get postponed, selections will get postponed. Even if you are selected, your posting will take time. Yeah, it will happen. Uh, I'm not I'm not disrespecting your choice. Okay. But you need to take second option as well, Sanket. It is not like that you are not having an interest in software, but at the end is money only. Okay.
Sir, which second option I should opt?
You can choose your final year students, right? So which is your good subject? Embedded, VLSI? Which one?
Sir, initially I just know basic. I am not trained up to advanced level.
No, no, no. These are only basic only. In BTech, we know only basic things. To get advanced training only, I am making you guys to go with these three courses. Okay, they will make you advance in 6 months to industry ready. Even I was only knowing the basic things what we have been taught in BTech.
Sir, but it is very difficult to do two options at one time.
No, no, no. I was preparing four options, brother. I was preparing for SSB. I was preparing for Indian Loco Pilot government exam, and I was preparing for this Indian Coast Guard. You might can ask SM Patil ma'am. I have asked her permission to go for medicals as well during the Viva section. Okay, and I have been preparing this for embedded systems course during this embedded systems course as well. So these all things will require only two things. One is communication skills, your knowledge, aptitude. Okay. So this you are going with the government exams. So I guess your aptitude will be very good, Sanket.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you will be easily able to crack the first round of any software based or embedded based. These all three institute as well will take your aptitude. Okay. Now you need to focus on communications. These two things you can focus. So you can't say that parallel things will be difficult. Okay, this will only ease you because you are preparing for government based exam. This is easing you in the first or two rounds of the software industry. Okay, and then you can go with these three options, any options, right, Sanket? Now you are clear or you want more?
Yes, sir, I am clear.
Okay. Now, if you want to do with MPSC or something else, right, you can also go to Pune and do. But I know many of my friends were doing, and during Corona, I guess no openings were there. So it had the jobs were postponed, and now they are 2 or 3 years back, and they are in dilemma because this is the current uh, I guess the critical thing. If you are pass out, you have only 1 year in hand, okay, to choose a right career. 1 or 2 years, okay. After that, there will be questions coming while recruiting you. Even if you pass in any of the criteria or in any of the industry, there will be questions coming you because they won't be hiring anyone who is 2 or 3 years back and he has not started his career yet. Okay, So this is the current thing. That's why thank guys, Gaikwad sir, who has engaged this particular um, session to make you guys engage and understand better to choose your career right now. Okay, so if you guys just pass out and you guys will be blank, so there will be of no use. Okay, that is good, Sanket, if you are going with government exams, but I will suggest to keep always second option in your hand. Okay, because if 2 or 3 years passes, you will be only getting depression and all things. Sir, is there guarantee of job? Yes, Abhishek. Uh, After completing courses like or doing MTech is best option. Uh, so Abhishek, you are there? Hello, Abhishek.
No, I think he's not there.
Okay. So I'll directly answer for Abhishek. I guess might be to internet issue he has left. So guarantee of job in VLSI and embedded. Yeah, if you do well during this course, okay, they will also have the same criteria what we are just following in your BTech exams and all, and the marking criteria. So if you guys will be able to pass those, and there after that placements will come. So if anyone will, they will be having 40-60 criteria, okay, practicals and theory. Okay, if you guys will pass there, then placement company will come and interview you. There is 100% guarantee if you work hard in embedded and VLSI for these trainings. Okay, guarantees of nothing. Okay, if you go and do nothing there and won't study, so how can I guarantee that you will be getting job there? But embedded and VLSI is a vast growing. If you do well in these courses, you will be 100% getting placed with flying colors and with nice handsome of salary as well. Okay, MTech I haven't done, so I don't know much about the MTech option. Next is Rajkumar Mayuri. I have just little bit confusing in embedded system developer and designer both, right? Means there are two options, core IT, which one is good? I'm asking for job purpose. Embedded system designer. Mayuri, hello? You are there?
Yes, sir.
So this designer part you are asking about VLSI or embedded?
No, sir. I'm asking embedded.
So in embedded there are two fields. Okay, one is development and one will be testing. Okay,
Yes, sir. Means one is the product development and second one is the software development, right?
so product development, that will be chipset. Okay, so chipset development will come in VLSI only. Product means a
Okay.
gadget. Okay, so gadget combines many of the technologies, hardware plus software, and which developer will do. Okay, after that there will be a sequence of testing, there will be an industrial flow for that. Okay, designing means chip design, right? You are saying?
No, sir.
Then
I'm asking about means, sir. There are two parts. Okay. One is the product and second is the software. Means in the product we are developing PCB likes or what? I'm asking you. I'm not
No, no,
sure.
no, 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 no. These PCB lines and all, these are manufacturing company are doing. Okay. So
Okay.
this PCB is the basic thing what we are being taught in colleges. But if you go in the industry, there is these chipsets are making. So if PCB you are considering, you can now, if you come to industry, these are chipsets. Okay. So these chipsets manufacturing VLSI guys will do. Okay.
Okay.
Ah. So this chipset making you can consider as part of designing, and to take with this chipset embedded whatever the application we have planned, the embedded guy will program that particular chip. And in embedded testing is also there. There are different domains of testing. Okay. So they will test this particular embedded device, and after that it will be market ready. So I'm just explaining you very brief about that. There are many major things in between, but just consider this: if you have an interest in PCB making or like that, you just opt for VLSI. Okay, just go, guys. I have mentioned in the chat itself. Okay, these three courses, just go in details, and if you guys have any further queries on that, what options needs to be selected, exam, okay, what preparation I need to do before the exam, like that, I can help you guys with that. Any other questions?
Yes, sir. Myself, Jaya Kutekar, and I completed my diploma from in computer branch, and right now I'm completing my engineering in E&DC branch. So it is too confusing for me to select right path. Like, what should I do? So everyone, like not someone, everyone says that you have too much options. You can do that, you can do this, but I don't know. Like, which should I do?
Okay, so you already mentioned that you have done diploma, okay, in electronics and telecommunications, right?
No, in computer branch, sir.
In computer branch, and now you have came to electronics and telecommunications, right?
Yes, yes.
And which year you are? Second?
No, no, sir. Sorry, I'm in third year right now.
Third year right now. So Jaya, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
you have a very bright career now, as I think, because you already done diploma in softwares, and now you are coming to the world of hardware. So you already know, you have already a hands on this software industry. So you might be knowing little bit of C and C++, because with these two
No, sir.
options,
I know
okay.
in brief, like I completed a web development course, like I can develop websites as well. I completed C, C++, Java, and Python also. So all computer languages are like friendly for me. So, but when I came here, like I started from resistor and capacitors, so I was not interested in that, but still I need to do that.
No,
Don't
no, no.
know.
That is the very basic thing, Jaya. I will explain you. You are doing web development, right?
I
So if
completed,
someone,
sir.
you have already completed. So if someone will ask you to develop a page, okay, for their home or for their whole home, okay. So there you will give options, right, of hall light, bedroom light, kitchen light, right? And
Yes.
there you will give options to turn it on, turn it off, right? So how it is getting turned on, turn off? Suppose it is an LED based light, okay, so you should know the LED principle, how it is working. In, I guess, in second year or while doing EDC labs, you guys might have done the EDC practicals as well, right?
Yes, sir.
uh, Regulated power supply you guys have prepared,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yeah.
So you might have come with registers.
So these
Yes.
are very basic things, because if you are into software as well and now into embedded, so you need to program with C, C++, Python, the hardwares only. So if you don't love the hardwares, how you will program, Jaya?
So I don't know how to how to build the interest in it. Like I'm trying too much. Like I should
No,
do
no,
this.
no. You need to build an interest here. Okay, if you want to
I'm
purely
trying to
work
do
in
it, sir.
embedded, okay, if you purely want to work in embedded, okay,
Mm.
if you don't want to work in embedded, so then with your web development Python as well, there are different software option as well, okay, which won't work for embedded devices. There you
Mm.
can choose, but that particular option is very, I guess, very stringent or very small. If you, and I would suggest you guys not to run for money at the career start. Okay, not to go for company. If you are an embedded engineer and if you think you are an embedded engineer, you should not opt for purely software companies like Wipro, Accenture, TCS, like those company, because from there if you go, your career will diverge. Okay, and you will be becoming pure software guys. Okay,
Mm.
so if you want to go in embedded based career, uh, ask me. I'll mention some of the big companies. Okay, as well as for freshers, they will be taking interviews. Okay, and if you go for startup, you will learn more. I will suggest you. But Jaya, if you want to work in embedded, your if your programming skills are good, you have a very hands-on on that, but you need to learn, or you need to engage with the embedded gadgets, right from the registers to the led, and right from the regulated power supply. These are very basic thing. If you don't love those things, you will be in very critical situation to program. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Uh-huh. Just take trainings like Indo-German tool room will provide you, or you can, if you know programming, and if you go with any of these things, right? If you want to in embedded in VLSI, okay. So these three options I have given you, they will train with respect to hardware. They will give very basic details, minute details. They will do lab programming for you. You will be 24 hours sitting with the gadgets in hand. So eventually you'll love. Okay, so go with this if you don't have right now options. So uh, I have seen many people struggling with the career options if they know better, but they don't have options, right? So you guys might do well than me if you guys go with this particular career options, right? Because there were no one to tell me like this. So I was also in delusion to select which career option. So as Sanket, I was explaining to Sanket, I was preparing for multiple options. Okay, because at your age also I was thinking about to go for Navy, to work in government. Only software guys won't have career like that. But no, in if we are selecting electronics and telecommunication, and right now I get to know more after doing 4+ years of experience, what we as embedded engineers or electronics and telecommunication engineer we are doing with the nation, right from the radars to the antenna, right from sending the rocket. Okay, so everywhere electronics and telecommunication engineer is playing a key role here. Okay guys. Anyone has put something else on the chat? No. So anyone has query? More queries, guys?
So one question can I ask?
Yes, 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 sure.
So is that like get score affects your placement? Like it can impression
No,
like.
no, no. I am not even get qualified, madam. I told you, na, I have been met with an accident in December and I was not able to prepare after that. Okay, so I was not able to clear my gate
Mm.
that time. and that too coming from diploma, and we guys are struggling in maths, right?
Yes.
I don't know much of you, but I was struggling in maths. So, but I was
Mm.
very good in technical. Even after scoring in second year, M3 subject was there. I remember now, and at that time, 20 for 60. The main exam, semester exam, was of 60 marks, right? Now also is the same.
Yes, sir. Yes, it is same right now.
Yes, yes, yes. So 60 marks exam was there for M3, and we have to score passing of 20. So for M3, I got only 22 for passing. And for that, I have done multiple lectures, extra lectures, and all things. And still, I managed to get 22. But still, I was the second topper that time because I was scoring, I guess, more than 55 in any of the technical subjects. Right. So we need to think where we need to put more effort. Right, Jaya? If you are having hands-on on C and C++, and where more efforts is required at the hardware end now. Right. So there you also need to pass. Okay.
Mm.
One thing won't work here.
Yes, sir.
So now you have already chosen your career in electronics and telecommunication, and now still you want to go to software. I guess you will be degrading your career to go into purely software now. So with embedded or electronics, you will be upskilling yours only, nothing else.
Yes, I will try my best to
Mhm.
build the interest.
No, no issues, no issues.
Yeah.
Okay, and you are still in third year, right? So after final year, I'm suggesting you guys to go with this particular course option once you cleared, because they will be asking your whole degree and all things. Okay, even if provisional degree, you guys can opt with these particular courses and your degrees are yet to come or something. Just after passing, you guys can opt give these exams. They will be conducting exams after every 3 months. Okay, there will be different batches. You don't have to wait for year end. Okay, like that, 3 months or 6 months, the batches will be there depending upon their courses. Okay, first visit these sites, get more clarified. There are different site as well. Okay, but what I have came across in my journey so far, and which I think is the best option for you. Yeah, these courses I haven't told about the fee structure. So anyone wants to know the fees and all details, so they will be well prepared for this.
Okay. Any other students has any query, you can directly ask or write in the chat box.
Yes, yes, yes. Feel free, guys, to ask. I know you might have been multiple questions in your mind running, and you will be thinking that should I ask this or not? How they will respond, or what they will think, or my friends will think. Nothing is there. Okay, you need to get your answers clarified. That's the major thing. So I guess Nikhil, right? Nikhil or someone else. So, guys, from these courses, what I have mentioned here, I want to know how many of you will opt this after completing your BTech first. Then I'll explain more about this. So, because it will be your call itself, okay, not mine. But after 2 or 3 years, I know that you should not be regretting that I should have joined this earlier and my friends have getting placed and all things, right? So Ankit, Jaya, I guess other students have different options. So this embedded system course, right? This embedded system course from Vector, I'll make you guys prepare and for financially itself. Okay, so at my time, the course fees was around 50. Okay, 50K. But there are scholarship tests. Okay, so just prepare well before giving these tests. So I was scoring well and I got around 40% scholarship there. Okay, so if you guys prepare well for these entrance exams, so you will be getting scholarships as well. Okay, and if you guys are blindly trying to opt this, okay, just trust these particular institutes because they will be shaping your future, and at that time you should not think about money. Okay, and this was embedded course, and the other one is VLSI is quite costly. VLSI course is quite costly, but yeah, if you clear those courses, right, and if you are getting placed in any of the chip design company, Nvidia, Qualcomm, so they will be paying you very handsome salary. That will be multiple of being electronics and telecommunication background. Okay, I'm telling you this. There is very telecommunication.
Hello. Hello. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Kaushendra, are you there?
I think sir's network is gone, sir. So, network issue.
Network issue.
Yeah. Sir, please unmute yourself. You are mute.
Okay, now am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, so there's been an issue with my laptop, so I need to log in again. Okay, so it's my office laptop, so it was not allowing me more.
In your mind, it's a good platform for asking the questions or clearing your doubts because by this way only you are helping yourself.
Yes.
Okay. Students, is there any query from your side? Please feel free to ask.
I guess these guys don't have any
Yeah.
further
Okay.
questions. Uh,
Yeah, fine. Okay. I still remember that Kaushendra when he was studying here. He was a cool guy, polite and helping guy. As we know that everyone has to face knowingly or unknowingly many unexpected situations or incidents in our life. He has also gone through it and facing all these incidences, he has incidences courageously. He overcome all nicely and wisely, and now I could see him growing like a gem. Thank you, Kaushendra, for accepting our invitation and guiding, motivating, and guiding our students for their future.
thank you so much, sir, for those appreciating words. And I remember all my teachers. You guys were actually the guiding paths for us. Sadavarte sir, you, SM Patil ma'am, Nirkar sir. Because students, every teacher has something to tell about themselves and to teach you in each and every way. So you need to take only positives from their personalities. Okay. Yeah, that only I can tell you guys.
Okay. Uh, Nikhil, please give the vote of thanks.
Yes, sir. Yes, sure, sir. So I would like to thanks to our today's guest speaker, Kaushendra Shah sir. He is sharing their valuable experiences in embedded system. What is the embedded system? How embedded system? How you can go into the embedded system as a career, as well as what is a VLSI? What is the difference between the embedded system and VLSI? So thank you so much, sir, for your valuable experience. As well as I would like to thanks to all the participants, as well as the all the committee members and Gaikwad sir for the coordinator of this industrial lecture series. Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you,
Again,
Nikhil.
again, I expect Kaushendra similar kind of cooperation from you in future as well.
Yes, sir. You can roll out my resume to these students, okay, those who have attended our industrial lecture. So, seeing my profile, they can went through how was my journey, and based upon that, they might can reach out to me, and I can help them. Okay, so in my resume, I have all my details. Okay, email ID, mobile number, and all. They can directly reach out to me. No hesitant, guys. Okay, I'm your senior only, and I want you guys to make our college better. Okay, every bit, and if these teachers are trying for us, okay, yeah, we after we are not attending and all things, and we are saying that college is not providing placement and all things. So we need to make the things work. Okay, try to reach as much seniors we have. Okay, don't be hesitant. Okay, they are able to guide you and make your career as well. We will be very happy to make your careers. Okay, that's all I can say.
Okay. Thanks, Kaushendra. I will share your resume as well so that everyone students
Yeah, because
can
they are
can.
at the first attend session, they might be very hesitant and they might not have captured very things, minute things from this. So they can reach out and directly ask their queries as well, right?
Yeah, 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 sure.
Or, sir, one thing I can suggest is you can prepare a group, okay?
Yeah,
WhatsApp group or any group, email group or anything. You can prepare, and there directly students can collaborate with us. They can directly ask, or we can directly post some career options like internship, these courses, what we know, will these courses will be beneficial? They will be having doubt, but we know because we have already came through it. So whether it is beneficial or not, okay, so we know. So if you can prepare a group, there we can guide these students very better.
yeah, yeah, sure, sure. We will
So it
prepare
won't
and
be
share.
a single interaction, there will be multiple interactions as well.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. Okay,
Yes.
thank you, Kaushendra.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Bye, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thank you all attending this session. Here we will conclude that the session is over, and we will have next session at 11:45 and attend the same.